All right, guys, continuing our countdown as we're in the last couple days of RM28. It blows my mind, but in just a couple days, someone's gonna start off their 2025 taking home this HEMI-Cuda and $50,000 in cash. We wanted, while it's still here with us for the last couple days, to count down our top 5 favorite things, and that is the power plant that sits underneath the hood of this thing. This car originally came with a 318. It's been upgraded since to a Gen 3 6.1 liter Hemi, and as you can see, it is dressed up to the nines. It's got that paint matched engine bay, smooth firewall, all sorts of extra chrome goodies, and all the performance goodies underneath the hood to make sure that you go flying down the road in style, safely, and with plenty of power. If you want that to be you, claim those entries at RestoMods.com. You could be taking home this 1970 HEMI-Cuda and 50 grand in cash, and I can't think of a better way for you to start your 2025, so good luck.